How are we doing, guys? I'm back in the UK for 10 days. After traveling in Asia for 3 months, spending a month in Dubai, it's been absolutely amazing. But I've come back, I've fallen sick, and I've got to get back in the gym. This is my first day in the gym after a couple of days of being really sick. I literally have no energy, but you've got to force yourself to get back into the gym, because the more days you take off, the harder it is to get back into the gym. So we're going to start off with a nice simple routine that combines your body weight and weight training. A perfect combination to get back into the gym and also build the perfect physique. After spending 5 minutes on warming up my shoulders, I've gone on to assisted pull-ups to work my biceps and my back. I've got the thickest band available because I knew my energy levels weren't too high. I normally wouldn't use this band, but sometimes you have to go 2 steps back to go 10 steps forwards. This week it's all about the reps, and after the second set I was pretty much done in. So on the third set I didn't change the band, but that's okay as long as you're getting in the reps this week. Now you will have some days where you feel strong, there'll be some days where you feel weak. Just be willing to adapt and push through, and it will be worth it, because those days when you push through will be your best training days. Next, we're going to be jumping on to dips, which are going to be hitting our triceps and our chest. An absolute great exercise. I love anything to do with triceps and chest. You'll notice that in my training. Good triceps will make your arms look fuller and thicker. If you think about it now, we've done 2 exercises, but we've hit 4 muscle groups. How good is that? That's why you have to do pull-ups, and that's why you have to do dips. Again, we're aiming for 3 sets of 15. As I was a little bit stronger on this, I only used a resistant band in the first and second set, and then the final set, I went all in.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better.
I'll be the first one to admit I don't like squats, and I'm not the best squatter out there. It puts uncomfortable pressure on my back and my shoulders. It's not an exercise which is suited to my height and my biomechanics. But squats are so important for building thicker and stronger legs. It's a very important exercise that you want to add into your routine. So this rediscovery of front weighted squats is an absolute game changer, because you're getting the same results without being compromised in awkward positions. So I definitely give this a try. Also, adding the weight under your heels will put more emphasis on your quads. On to the final body weighted exercise, the Spider-Man push-up. Besides looking a little bit crazy in the gym, this is an absolute great exercise because it hits your triceps, your chest, your abs, your legs, and even a little bit of your biceps. So it's an absolute minter to finish off your training. It's also a great exercise to work your shoulders. It's just an absolute overall full body workout. This movement, what you're doing here, will guarantee to transform your body. If you just did this every day, 100 of these, your body would change over 90 days. That's how much I believe in this exercise and how good I think it is. Now, it can be a little bit difficult to do these at the beginning, so don't worry, you don't have to do the full 15 reps. You can start off with 6 to 8 reps, but you should be hitting at least a minimum of 8 reps. Now we're moving on to the weighted part of the training and starting off with the deadlifts. An absolute great exercise that works the whole body. The legs, the abs, the back, the biceps, the triceps, the shoulders. But as you know, we like doing things a little bit unconventional on this channel. And at the top, we're adding a shrug because everyone loves bigger shoulders. So why not put in that shrug at the top and just take this exercise to the next level? Now guys, if you're going to go heavy, make sure you wear a belt. But don't be wearing the belt throughout the whole sets. Make sure you do a set without a belt. Also, make sure you put your weight through your heels. Use your legs as a guide so you're not rocking back and forth, and you should be good.
I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember.
One exercise I never thought I'd be doing in the gym, but I ended up doing and I absolutely love it. If you want to build thicker and stronger glutes, you need to be doing this exercise. Yes, I know the women do this exercise. You always see women doing this exercise. You never see men doing this exercise. That is true, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be doing it. No one loves a flat ass. A flat ass doesn't look good in jeans and shorts. Trust me, I've got one. So that's why I'm trying to build my glutes. I'm going to be doing this exercise twice a week. I'm also trying to build thicker legs, and that's when I'll be adding this to my routine. I may even do it 3 times a week when I do my full body day. Who knows? Let's see how it goes. But this is one exercise you should definitely add to your routine. It'll make you look fuller in your jeans, and also it'll give you some extra pushing power in the bedroom. And that can't be a negative, right? Finally, to finish off the routine, we're going to do some abs. I love leg raises and weighted crunches. Those are my 2 favorite exercises that I love doing. But if things get a little bit boring, you can change it up with this ab exercise. Guys, I'm offering one-to-one coaching. The link's in the description. We can discuss training, weight loss, career, life, travel, whatever you want to discuss, we can discuss in that call. If not, leave me a comment. Let's talk. Let's figure out a good routine for you. Let's figure out life for you. Let's get you on the track to success and financial freedom and living your best life. Okay, guys, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you on the next one.
Every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening, get off my dick, I got bad intentions, make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance, I show you the ropes, peace in my town, I can